Alright, I'm Anthony, and this is my bike check. This is going to be a serious one with good quality. Okay, I'll start off up here. Got Trace Hawk, Odyssey grips, Odyssey Monolever, limited edition Aaron Ross one, it's blue, and Odyssey slic cable in blue, Nitrous OG bars, 8.25 rise, 27-inch width, stock fit stem, but it holds up, it's pretty good. Sputnic Integrated headset, Odyssey Pro Dirt Classic forks, 14mm. It's a stock fit front wheel with a Primo Dirt Monster in front, and a stolen Thermalite peg. And frame is a fit S3.5 Aitken. What else?
Seat.
Yeah, seat, and just a Kink seat, and it's a poverty post, which sucks. Don't recommend it. Stock fit cranks, but they're actually pretty good. Shadow Conspiracy bottom bracket, mid bottom bracket. I don't know if anybody cares about that. Shadow Ravager pedals, PC. Textro brakes, you know, no one really cares about those. Yeah. KMC blue chain and a stock fit chainwheel. But I'm about to get a new one because it's bent. And then a stock fit back wheel with an Animal GLH and another stolen Thermalite peg. But I'm about to get a new back wheel, so I took the grease out of this one. And it actually sounds pretty good. My brakes are rubbing now, so it's going to sound weird, but it's actually a lot louder than it was before. Oh yeah, I mean, I think that's my bike.